What is up, Average Model Guy? Bringing it to you from the Average Model Dungeon. Part 1 of our Aoshima Kawasaki Ninja motorcycle. And if you remember for the unboxing, I'm stepping way out of my comfort zone with this one. Yeah, a little nervous about it, but I'm sure I'll do alright. Yeah, we're going to start out probably... Looks like we start with the frame, not the engine, and then go to the engine after that. Gonna try to knock out those 5 steps, I guess. Then we'll go from there. Go ahead and get all those parts clipped. Looks like I've got a lot there. I think just for the frame alone, there was like 6 or 7 pieces. Yeah, then we go into the rear wheel assembly and all that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that going, and I'll be back once I got everything snipped. Alright, I'm going to start with the frame and then we'll move to the engine, but I want to get the frame built first. There's little tiny parts there, zoom in on them there, that I have to get assembled before I want to get these pieces assembled before we move on to the engine, because I don't want to lose these. So I will be right back once we get this frame assembled. Okay, we got the frame together here. I tell you what, those little spark plug wires, I don't know if you can be able to see them here, get it to focus in right in there. Yeah, those were a little difficult. Let's see if I can get it focused back a little bit. Yeah, but I got them in there. There's a little bit better. Let's see, hold that up there. You can see them popping out right there. Yep, those were a little bit of a pain, but got them on there. So far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and get the pieces to the engine snipped, and I'll be back. Okay, we are back with our snipped engine pieces. We'll get these all assembled, and when I get back, hopefully we'll have steps 2 and 3 done. Then we have some more engine assembly after that. Alright, be right back. Okay, we got our assembled engine. It's kind of hard to see with crappy lighting, but we got most of our engine assembled. There's some more pieces I'm going to get snipped off and put on, and then we'll have a fully assembled engine. I think we just have those steps right there left to do, and then I think we move on to the rear end. So yeah, wasn't too bad. Spark plugs up there, that was a lot of fun. So yep, going together pretty good. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, here are our remaining engine pieces here. I am not going to put on these chrome pieces yet until I get the engine painted flat black and all that. So I will get that done. I'll go ahead and get the remaining pieces done and put on the engine minus the chrome pieces, and then come back and show you, and then get it painted flat black, and then we'll go from there, getting the chrome pieces on there. Alright, be right back. Okay, we have got the engine assembled. See if I can bring it into some better lighting here. Alright, there we go. Got it flat black, got our chrome pieces on there. Looking really good. First motorcycle engine ever. Got the bottom. Probably end up weathering that later, but yep. Alright, I think we're gonna call it good. Go ahead, I got the frame here. I got it painted flat black as well. So it's ready to go. But yeah. Oop. Got pieces falling everywhere. Alright, well, if you guys like this episode, don't forget to slap that like button for me. If you wouldn't mind, if you want to continue on with this build series, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That way you can see when I post the next video. Thanks again, guys. This is Average Model Guy, signing out from the Average Model Dungeon.